Welcome back. So in today's video we will discuss what is consumer choice, how the consumer make choices. So this is just an overview video and we will discuss consumer choice later in detail. So just to give you a hint of what is consumer choice, I have made this video. So what is consumer choice, how the consumer make choices? So consumer look for two things. The first is the best things and the second is the things they can afford. So consumer combine these two things and then make a choice of which thing he want. So consumer will look for two things, the best things and the second the things which they can afford. So we can say that consumer will always choose the best things they can afford. So here we have two things, the best things, which we will discuss in the next few videos, and then we will discuss what the consumer can afford. So this is from today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.